My video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called T1000. T1000. This is the ransomware type threat that attacks many Windows computers today. The ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that customers store on their computers. The ransomware tells that the victims need to pay the special ransom in order to get their files restored. Definitely before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files, including all available browsers, desktop shortcuts of these browsers, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware T1000 may be easily injected into the system. Then pretty soon customers realize that their files have been damaged by this particular ransomware. So the ransomware adds this special T1000 extension to the files. The ransomware tells that in order to use the files, the special ransom needs to be paid. But once again, paying the ransom definitely does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this particular ransomware type infection with the combo cleaner by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green button, install the application, and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available. You need to click on this Start Scan button. The program will begin investigating your system and will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But first of all, it will update its anti-malware database. So, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the programs begin scanning the system, and you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. It can also protect your files from further ransomware attacks, and it will help you to remove more serious threats. Its anti-ransomware feature allows you to add a special folder or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of scan, you'll see the information about threats, about their exact location. So you may get rid of these threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete these threats altogether and automatically.